Daniel saw the stone, 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 rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone, 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 rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone, stone, stone. Daniel saw that stone, 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 stone. Why come like dust was when yam down the place? You look like I spend too much time over the yard, baby. Or I neglect my place. Come me ground. Come me ground. We don't even spend time with it anymore. Hey, I'll go around there when I'm done. If I finish with the inside, that's first. Yes, yes, yes.
Boy whisper, I understand how you feel. But one of the things that we have to understand is the whole relationship thing and the job that we do, it not work.
Get what you're saying about it, but and really it's a relationship, you know. Because remember some have to deal with that because of the baby.
I understand that. And that's one of the main reasons why I make a pressure to talk to Shepherd. Because me not feel too comfortable with she still being at that woman house there.
Alright, just deal with it and let me know what about it.
Hear me. You said that time you know when you go look for her? You said last time. You said the next time when we go look for her, move her. Alright?
Alright.
And just as me say, keep watch and keep your eye them open. Be careful.
Alright. Get that, man. But here what? Know that everything seems so tense. I gotta just travel through the gully. See? And now I'm taking me in, so we'll link up. We'll come on.
But Mildred, yeah. Yes, Mildred. But you know me have to come check on the place. Me no want chicken yam down the house. I whole heap of dust in there. Me have to clean it up. Plus me have to check on my garden. Me say all kind of fungus I take the lime tree. And cane there have to chop all sort of things. Yeah, me know you miss me. Me miss you too. Me a come over later. But there is something important for me to deal with before I come over. Yes, man. Oh, I may have one plantain when I draw today. Now bring it come. Me know you love plantain, you know. Right, do you remind me of sitting? You see you? You think you're easy?